first, we had the 2012 Derpy Hoops from Comic-Con. Then we had Vinyl Scratch from the 2013 Comic-Con. And then we had Princess Twilight Sparkle. But now a fourth one has joined the fray. That's right, Pinkie Pie in her Chinese New Year outfit. And boy, is this a massive outfit or what? Or actually a massive, massive figure. I mean, take a look. This figure dwarfs the other three. In comparison, this might as well be the largest My Little Pony toy of Generation 4, though I'm betting there is something that's larger than this. And yet, my only criticism of this figure, take a look. That's right, the entire outfit is painted on. I mean, that's a darn shame. I mean, couldn't they have a separate material for the outfit? Anyway, I wasn't expecting this figure till probably around next month in January, but Toys R Us says, hey, I know you like this figure, I know you pre-ordered this figure, let's go ship it to you early, just in time for the holidays. Anyway, you want this figure? Go to ToysRUs.com, look up My Little Pony Chinese New Year. It's only $24.99 with tax. Enjoy!